Hello students, today we will do narration. Narration means change the speech. We have already done it in our previous class, so we know it very well how to do, but still I'll give you all the rules how to change it. Okay. The first thing is that what is narration? The things told by someone can be expressed in two ways. Suppose you tell me something and I can tell your saying or I can tell your things in two ways. And these two ways are the direct and indirect speech. Ram said, I am a poor boy. It means I am telling the wordings of Ram as he said. Ram said, I am a boy. This is a direct speech. And indirect, if I change it into my own words, then it becomes indirect speech. Ram said that he was a poor boy. Here, I changed the wordings of Ram in my own words and it has become the indirect speech. Now, for the examination point of view, what we are to do, we are to change the direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, we are to change direct speech into indirect speech. Now, how to change? Before we start, the rules to change the direct speech into indirect speech, we must know that the direct speech has two parts. As it was the sentence Ram said, I am a poor boy. The same way sentence is Mohan said to Sohan, I am your close friend. This complete sentence has two parts. Mohan said to Sohan. This is reporting verb. I am your close friend. This is called reported speech. We must know these things because we will need it in the change of direct into indirect. As Ram said, I am a poor boy. Ram said is reporting verb and I am a poor boy is reported speech. Okay. In simple sentences or statements, said to is changed into told. As this is said to, we will change it into told if the sentence is simple. Simple means affirmative or negative. Okay, then we change said to into told. Second is said remains the same as it was. Ram said, I am a poor boy. Here because said to was not there, only said was, so it remains the same. Ram said, here again Ram said. Okay. The third rule is comma and inverted commas are removed. Here it was Mohan said to me, comma, and in inverted commas was the reported speech. The same way here Ram said, comma, and in inverted commas was I am a poor boy. So this comma and inverted commas are removed when we change direct into indirect speech. Conjunction that is used. Now look, this was a sentence. Mohan said to Sohan, this is one sentence. I am your close friend. This is the second one sentence. When we remove this comma and inverted commas, they become the two sentences. So, in order to join these two sentences, we use conjunction that. Or you can say that you remove comma and inverted commas, and in that place we use the word that. That works as the connector or the conjunction to join these two things. Okay. Then word of reported speech is changed. What is reported speech? This. I am your close friend. I am a poor boy. This is reported speech. So what we are to do when we change direct into indirect, we are to change the verb. Here verb refers to helping verb. If helping verb is not there, then we will go to the verb. So we are to change the helping verb. Okay. Now, to change the reporting verb, to change the helping verb, if reporting verb is in present or future tense, verb of reported speech is not changed. Yes, what did I say? If reporting verb is in present or future tense, verb of reported speech is not changed. Again, we'll go back. Reporting verb. Look here, it is reporting verb. Mohan said. Said shows that it is past tense. If it is in past tense, said is there, then we will change the verb of this reported speech as Mohan said to Sohan, I am your close friend. Then Mohan told Sohan that he was his close friend. But if it is here, Mohan says to Sohan, then we will not change this. It will be changed, but only according to the subject, as I will be also changed. We do not change the present into past. The main thing that we are to do in the change of direct into indirect is we change present into past. But we do that work only if here it is in past tense. If it is Mohan said to her, I am your close friend, then it will be changed. Mohan told Sohan that he was his close friend. If it is Mohan says to Sohan, then says to will become tells. Mohan tells Sohan that he is. Here is M or R. Are used in the same tense. Is M or R are of the same tense of the same verb, but are used according to the subject. If it was I, then M, then E. If it is he, then it becomes is. Then if the sentence will be Mohan will say to Sohan, then we'll say Mohan will tell Sohan that he is his close friend. Clear hai? It means if this reporting verb is in past tense, and how do we know that it is in past tense? If said is there, then we change the verb of the reported speech. Otherwise, if it is in present or future tense, then we do not change the present into past tense. Okay. If reported speech is universal truth, habit, scientific fact, then also its verb is not changed. If reported speech, this is reported speech. If this sentence is a universal truth, a scientific fact, what is universal truth? The truth that cannot be changed, as the earth is round, 2 and 2 make 4. Honesty is the best policy. These are all the things that cannot be changed. These are called universal truth. So if this sentence is a universal truth, a scientific fact, as the water boils at 100 degrees C, this is scientific fact. Or it is a habit, I go for a walk daily, this is a habit. So if the reported speech is a scientific fact, a universal truth, or a habit, then also its helping verb is not changed into past tense. Okay, I say the teacher said to the students, the earth is round. So the teacher said to was there, but it will change into told, and the reported speech will carry the same tense helping verb. The teacher told the students that the earth is round. We will not make it earth was round because it was universal truth. Okay, look here, I have given you some examples. Mohan says to Sohan, I am your close friend. Earlier I said Mohan said to Sohan, I am your class friend. So it would be changed. Mohan told Sohan that he was his close friend. And here Mohan says to Sohan, I am your close friend, because says is here, it is in present tense. So it becomes Mohan tells Sohan that he is his close friend. Here it was am because I, here it came is because he. Then universal truth. The teacher said truth always wins, because this is universal truth. So the teacher said that truth always wins. We did not make it second form. Then scientific fact. My mother said water boils at 100 degrees C. My mother said that water boils at 100 degrees C. We took the same tense. We took the present as it was present. We did not change it into past. I think this is clear. Now, rules for change of verb. How do we change the verb? Verb of what? verb of reported speech. If it is to be changed as the reporting verb is in past tense, said is there, then we need to change the verb of the reported speech. So how do we change it? If it is V1, first form of verb, then it will be changed into V2, second form of verb. If V2 is there, second form of verb is there, then it becomes had plus third form of verb. Is, am or are change into was or were, and was and were change into had plus been or had plus V3. Has or have become had, will and shall become would, can becomes could, and may becomes might. This all tells that present is changed into past. Present is changed into past. Okay. Now this was the rules about how to change the verb. Now how to change the pronoun. As here in this sentence, I am your close friend. I was the pronoun. So when I changed this sentence, what did I tell you? Mohan told Sohan that I became he. So how do we change it? We must know the rule. So let I tell you. Rule for change of pronouns. Look here. I have written 1, 2, 3. And this 1, 2, 3 are persons. We know 3 persons are there in English. First person, second person and third person. First person is always the speaker. If I am speaking about myself, I will say I. If I am speaking about our class, then I will say we. So speaker is always the first person. It may be I, it may be we. Then the listener to whom something is said is always the second person. So you is the second person, because you may be singular, you may be plural. And third person. If we leave first person and second person, all the rest of the pronouns are third person. Okay, they may be singulars, they may be plurals. Then this is subject, object and no change. You will have to keep in mind that we are to change the pronouns. Pronouns means persons, and they will be found in reported speech. You will find them in the reported speech. You are to find it in the reported speech. Then how to change? If first person is there, then it will be changed according to subject. If there is second person, it will be changed according to object. This subject and object, where you will find? You will find it in reporting verb. You will find it into reporting verb. So you are to see the persons of first person, second person, third person in the reported speech, because you are to change the reported speech and you are to change according to the subject and object of the reporting verb. Okay, if first person is to be changed, we change it according to the subject of the reporting verb. If second person is there, we change it according to the object of the reporting verb. And if there is third person, then we do not do any change. Okay, look here. My teacher said to me. Now my teacher said to me, this is reporting verb. You are a good student. This is reported speech. Now we are to find the first, second or third person in reported speech. Here we found you. Okay, so which person is it? You is the listener. So second person. And I told you second person change according to object. Now object of what? Reporting verb. This is the reporting verb. My mother said to me. This is reporting verb. We will see only this much. My mother said to me. And what we are to see? It was second person, so we are to see the object. Object of my mother said to me. So me is the object. It means you will be changed according to me. You will be changed according to me. So it becomes my teacher told me that I. was a good teacher. Now the thing is how you became I. Let me tell you. Look, this is a table. I, my, me, we are us, you, your, you, he, his, him, she, her, they, their, and them. So here in this table, I, we, you, he, she, and they, these are used as subjects, and me, us, you, him, her, and them is used as object, and these are the possessives. My, are, your, his, her, their, these are the possessives. Now look here, what was to be changed? You are a good student. You is used as a subject, so we are to change it according to me. Look, where is you and where is me? You here, it is the subject. Okay, and we are to change it according to me. Where is me? Me, because it was in object. So I am to make it subject. Me was object, but I am to make it subject. So we will see me is there before the subject. You, I. So you became I. I was a good student. I hope it is clear. The second sentence, look. The girls said to the teacher, we want to thank you. Now look, the girls said to the teacher. This is reporting verb, and we want to thank you. This is the reported speech. Now how we will change? I am telling you about the change of the pronoun. We are to change the pronoun of the reported speech. We is there. We is which person? First person, and I told you first person change according to subject. Subject of the reporting verb. The girls is there. And you is also pronoun and second person. So second person change according to the object of the reporting verb. The object is teacher. So this will be changed according to the girls, and this will be changed according to the teacher. The girls told the teacher that. Now we is to be changed. We, the girls. The girls are plural, so we use they instead of it. They wanted to thank you. You for teacher, her or him. Clear? Next is, the student said he is not our classmate. The student said that. I told you if it is third person, then no change will be there. So we will take it as it was. The student said that he was not their class teacher. What? Here R was also, and we changed it according to the students. The students, plural are there, so we used there. Okay. One more thing we are to keep in mind is we change nearness to farness. Nearness of direct speech is changed into farness. And for this, we need to learn a table once again, that now, if the word is now in the direct speech, in indirect it will become then. If here is there, it becomes then. Today becomes that day. Tonight becomes that night. Now becomes then. This becomes that. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. Hence become thence. These becomes those. Ago becomes before. Come becomes go. Last month becomes the previous month. Last night becomes the previous night. Next night becomes the following. Next month becomes the following month. It means next is changed into the following, and this way you are to learn that nearness is changed into farness. This was all about the simple sentences only. Now let's come to the imperative sentences. How we change the speech of the imperative sentence. Before that, you must know what is an imperative sentence. The sentences having request, command or order are imperative sentences. Okay. If we read the sentence and we come to know that there is some request, there is some command, there is some order, there is some suggestion, then they are known as imperative sentences. And the rules to change the imperative sentences are: first is said to is changed into. As in simple sentence we change said to into told, but here in imperative sentences it is changed into requested, commanded, ordered or advised, whatever is there in the sentence. As I said, mother said to the boy, please help me. It means mother is saying please, it means she is requesting, so we will change said to into requested. Okay, if the principal said to the peon, go away at once, it means this is order, so here said to will be changed into ordered. Okay, next is conjunction to is used. In simple sentences what did we use? That, but here in these sentences we use conjunction to. Then verb of reported speech is not changed. Here in these sentences we do not change the verb of the reporting speech. Example, she said to her servant, close all the windows. This is order, so she said to changed into ordered. She ordered her servant to. We removed comma and inverted commas and used to. Then close all the windows. We took it as it was. We did not change close into closed, because after to always V1 is used, and in imperative sentences we take the sentence as it was. Okay. The next is interrogative sentence. You know what are interrogative sentences? The sentences in which question is asked, they are interrogative sentences. So how to change the interrogative sentence into indirect speech? The first thing, the interrogative sentences are three types. One, with helping verbs, as are you my brother? Mohan said to me, are you my brother? Second are with do, does or did. The teacher said, did you do your work? And with modals, sentences beginning with modal. My brother said to me, can you lift these books? So here all these sentences were interrogative and starting differently. Then some more are there with WH word. You know WH word. The words of WH family are that start with WH. When, where, why, what, who, whom. How is also a member of this family. So the words WH words, and the sentences, interrogative sentences beginning with WH words. The teacher asked the new student, what is your name? This type of sentences. So how to change the interrogative sentences? First is interrogative sentences when changed into indirect, it becomes a simple sentence. You are to keep in mind. Now you must know what is the difference between an interrogative sentence and a simple sentence. Interrogative sentence begins with helping verb, and simple sentence begins with subject. So you will not take the helping verb before the subject, because you are to change the sentence into simple sentence. Then you will not put question mark in the end, because now it has changed into simple sentence. Second difference, if the sentence starts with helping verb do, does or did, or with modal, then we use conjunction if. But if the sentence starts with WH word, then that WH word is used as the conjunction. No other conjunction is used. Okay, look, the example is, the teacher said to me, are you feeling well today? Now it starts with are, helping verb. So what we are to do? We are to put helping verb if or whether, WHETHER, any of these can be used. The teacher asked me, because this is a question, so said to is changed into asked. So it became the teacher asked me, then conjunction if. Then are you, we will take this first. we will take this first, because this was are you, because this was an interrogative sentence and we are to make it affirmative. So we will take subject first, then helping verb. So you changed according to me, and the subject of me is I. Is, am are changed into was, were. So with I we use was. Feeling well. Today, nearness change into farness. Today change into that day. So the teacher said to me, are you feeling well today? It becomes, the teacher asked me if I was feeling well that day. Next, Mohan said to his brother, did you go to market? Mohan asked his brother if he, you according to brother, if he did, V2. V2 change into had plus V3. So it becomes had gone to market. Okay. The stranger said to the policeman, can you tell me the way? That stranger asked the policeman, then conjunction if. You will change according to the policeman, he. If he can change into could. If he could tell me, me again. First verb, first person change according to the subject, the stranger. So he. And object, यहाँ पे object है me, तो object of he is him. So it became, the stranger asked the policeman if he could tell him the way. Okay, these were all where we used if or whether as the conjunction. Now the sentences where we do not use the conjunction, the same WH word which is given is used as the conjunction. She asked her brother, why did you touch my things? She asked her brother why. Why is used as the conjunction, but here also we have to make it simple sentence. So after why we will take the subject you. You according to her brother was he. Why he did change V2 change into had plus V3, had touched his things. Clear?